When you hear names like Mondial, Benelli, or Morbidelli, your brain instantly goes to Italy, espresso, design, and racing history. But here's the modern reality. Many of these bikes are now built in China. And honestly, that's not bad news at all. Because without modern manufacturing, legendary brands like FB Mondial simply wouldn't exist today. Meet the 2026 FB Mondial Spartan 600, a stylish, middleweight cruiser with just the right balance of muscle, comfort, and retro attitude. The Spartan 600 lives in that sweet spot between bobber, cruiser, and modern classic. It doesn't scream for attention, it just looks right. You get a teardrop fuel tank, subtle beige highlights over a silver and black paint scheme, chunky tires, and a clean single exhaust finished in matte black. Even the details are on point. Round bar end mirrors, classic style indicators, and a modern LED headlight that keeps things contemporary without killing the retro vibe. It feels familiar, but fresh. Powering the Spartan is a 554cc parallel twin engine, producing around 65 horsepower and 54 Nm of torque. This isn't a drag strip monster, and it's not trying to be. Instead, the Spartan 600 delivers smooth, relaxed power that suits cruising, city riding, and weekend highway runs. Underneath, the Spartan rides on a tubular steel frame, paired with an adjustable upside-down front fork and a rear monoshock. Braking is handled by a single front disc with a radial-mounted 4-piston caliper, plus a rear disc for balance. What really boosts rider confidence is the ergonomics. Seat height, just under 710 mm. Curb weight, roughly 204 kilograms. That combo makes the bike approachable for beginners, smaller riders, and anyone who just wants an easygoing ride. Pricing and availability. The FB Mondial Spartan 600 is expected to launch in 2026, with markets like the USA and Asia on the radar, including the Philippines, where Mondial already has a presence. No official prices yet, but here are conservative estimates if it launches. Philippines, 300,000 to 450,000 pesos. India, 550,000 to 620,000 rupees. USA, $6,200 to $6,800. Europe, 5,900 to 6,500 euros. If those numbers land, the Spartan 600 could be a serious value contender in the middleweight cruiser space.